Hello and welcome back, Grillman's Garage. We're outside today. It's a beautiful day. We're out here testing. Well, thank you very much. We're out here today testing a few things. One is the Plus battery. I had one Plus battery and I had some issues with accuracy and return to home after doing a distance waypoint mission. A couple of times it was off by as much as 8 or 10 meters. I thought there's a problem with the battery. DJI thought there might be a problem with the craft, so I did some more experiments. After I charged it up a couple of times, it was okay. So I sent the battery back. I got another one. The interesting thing is this other one, it's the exact same specs, okay, but the weight's different. The first one, I'll put a picture up here, I showed you, it was 116.3 grams. This one, at 100% battery charged up, is 115.8. That's half a gram difference. There you go. Don't know why. The plastic, half a gram, that's amazing. Anyway, we have the DJI Mini 5 Pro here with the R2 controller, and we're also looking at the, can you see that there? Wherever it is, there it is. The Osmo Nano, okay? The Osmo Nano camera. We're going up and do a waypoint mission. I'm not going to bore you with going to the waypoint mission. You've seen it, you may have seen it before or whatever. It's a circle around the block, and what we're going to do is we're going to let her go. I'm interested in the return to home. So, let's get it going. Let's get it up in the air. Let's see what happens, okay? We're ready to go. We're 4K at 30. That's fine. We're just waiting for the finalization on, there we go. We've got that. So we hit this, hit the C2, and I'm just gonna, there it goes. Okay, it says the home point has been updated, so we're good to go, okay? Let's turn this way. Let's go up. There we go. There we go. And it's up. There we go. Bring that camera down a bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this guy. We're going to look for the waypoint mission that I want to send it on. We're going to hit the menu. And we want to go custom. And we're going to shrink it down a bit, just so we can see it on the map. There it is, a little bit bigger. There it is. There we, well, come on, it's a little tricky there. There we go. There we go. Okay. We have, what do we have? We always have to check this. One is to start it. Global speeds. Okay. The last one is to stop it. Okay. Global speed. What is the global speed? 5.5, continue. Okay, great. Here we go. Next, and go. So there we go. So we're checking out the DJI Osmo Nano camera as well. Interesting thing, I just have to tap it here because it's, there we go, just so I can see it, okay? That's the interesting thing. If you have the DJI mic connected, okay, you can't view it as well. It's weird, okay? No, I'm wrong. Sorry about that. I'm just got to pay attention to this until it starts to go. I can still see it up there. Yep. Okay. When it flips down, it's going to start recording. Boom. There we go. Okay. So it's on its route. Okay. 70 meters up around. We're not going to watch it go all the way around. Okay. But the Osmo Nano, if you have them connected, you can see the line of your mic, that green line. You can see that going. That's no problem at all. That's the gain line or something. If you disconnect them so you have the viewer in your hand, you can't see the view screen because as long as the DJI Mini mic is connected, it won't show both, okay? Only when you're connected to the module, okay? That's one thing, okay? Also, your module has to be connected reverse. So the screen has to be on the front and the camera has to be on the back and connected in order to extract the video files. Unless you do an SD card. I have not done an SD card because there's lots of room and all that kind of stuff. So there we go. I've modified this return to home or this waypoint mission several times, and we're going to get it, but I'm not going to bore you with it. That's about it. We're going to come back at the end. What I'm interested in is the return to home. Okay, so I'm looking at the screen of the DJI Mini Osmo. We're at 2.7K. We've got it on stability because we've got it on a tripod. We've got the white balance at 5700. So we're going to see if that's okay, because I found that the native white balance on this is a little cool. Just like a lot of action cameras, they're a little cool, okay? So let's get to the end, okay? And we shall see you then. Here we are, we've almost finished the Waypoint mission. It's going to come home. I'm hoping we're on that optimum return to home. So we're going to see what happens with it, okay? Pretty soon it's going to end, and we're going to watch it come in on the green tunnel. And hopefully it'll come in here. It never lands on here. I don't know why it never lands. It just hovers about a meter off the deck. So it's maybe because it thinks this is a obstacle. But anyway, here we go. It's just about finished. 3, 2, 1. It said 11:37. There we go. Boom. And it's coming. There we go. I just want to watch the green. There we go. I just want to watch the green thing. There we go. It's coming home. Oh, right on schedule. There it comes. Go. Oh, and it's pointing down. Can we come down a bit? There we go. That's where it's going to come. We're hoping. We're going to come. Oh, what happened? It's coming down. It's coming down. My finger's on the pulse just in case. I just gotta get back here just in case something happens. Whoops. Nope. It's way over there. Way over there. Okay. Now then, I'm going to do something here. Just a second. I have a feeling I might know what happened here. Okay, let's get it up. Let's bring it back. Okay, here we go. And down. Okay, interesting, eh? Very interesting. This is the 4th or 5th Waypoint mission. I'm going to turn it off. This is the 4th or 5th Waypoint mission I've had with this, okay? And it's always been bang on. Interesting thing is that 3/4 way around, I accidentally hit the C1 button. I went click, and I don't know what happened. Maybe that did something. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to try it again. We'll turn everything off. Let's stop this recording. Ready to go again? Let's get up there. Okay, here we go. Boom. And C1. Don't hit anything. Home point has been updated. So let's go. What happened there? What happened there? Okay, we don't know what happened there. The Osmo just kind of turned off, didn't it? Anyway, it's up there. Let's get it up a little bit more. And forward. And we'll get up there. Okay, now we're going to go into our Waypoint missions. I'm going to look at our Waypoint mission. And we're going to go the Double Lake, the Pit, the Round the Pond, that one there, okay? And it's the one that goes just around the pond here. Okay, there we go. Okay, first one is, it starts it. Okay, global speed 50 meters. And the last one is, it stops it. And the global speed is 4.5. Let's put that up to 5. 5.5. Well, we'll put it to 5. There we go. Okay. We're going to say go. And go. Boom. 50 meters up. Should be pretty good. And I think I've got the POI in the middle. That's right. So they're going to point to the POI, and I've got it at 0. So it's going to go ground level around it. So let's see what happens here. It's going to number 1. As soon as it pitches down, it's going to start the recording. Okay. And this one only goes out a couple hundred meters. So I will, when it starts here, I'll show you the start. There we go. Okay. And we will see you at the end. See what happens, okay? Right above the house now. It's finishing. A couple of seconds and it will turn the video off. Sorry about the sun is in my eyes there, but anyway, we can go back here if you want. We can look at it this way. There you go. Okay, it's finished. It's coming home. There it is. Okay, let's watch it come home on the green tunnel. This time I did not touch the C1 button. Okay, now I have to do some other experiments where I do touch the C1 button, and let's see what happens. Here it comes in. I'm getting ready to stop it, just in case. Just in case it's coming. It looks a lot better this time. Yep, it's right on the money. So that's my only thing. There we go. Don't you dare. Whoa, there it is. It's right above where it's supposed to be, but it's not going to land. Awesome. So, there we go. Turn it around. Turn it down. Okay. Oh, I better stand up and do it. Here we go. Under and down. Okay, there we go. Turn it off. How much juice have I got left? There we go. We're starting again. We've got 40% just about. Let's get up. We'll do the same waypoint mission. We'll speed it up to maybe 5. Okay, we've got 40% left on the battery. Let's get up and going. Here we go. C1. There we go. The home point has been updated. So let's go forward and up. Okay, up we go. There we go. Okay, we're going to start that again here. We're going to go to the waypoint. And we're going to go to this guy. It'll be around the pond. Double light, do the pit, custom, around the pond. There we go, and we're going to go, global is going to be 5.5. Get you up there. 6. Okay. And we're going to go next and go. There we go. And once it starts, we're going to stop this again. I'm going to try and get this recording at the end to get everything down. But you did see it on the screen here where it came, and you saw the H land right on top here. Okay, so this is going to be the test. Let's put this up here. Okay, you're going to see it there. That's going to go. Okay, as soon as it gets there, it started. So it started the video. We're going to come back at the end. Going to go 6 meters per second. Should go all the way around fairly quickly.
Return to home.
Return to home. There we go. It's coming. Let's put this guy down here. Let's see where it's going to go. It's dropping. I got my finger on the pulse, just waiting. Okay, we've got that recording going. Okay, I don't want it to hit the house. Okay, where's it going? Is it thinking about it? I don't see the green thing. Don't go any further. Stop, turn around. Nope. Actually, it was gonna land. Okay, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. All right, let me grab it. Stop that. Okay, so let's get this thing going here. Here we go. That didn't prove anything. So why was the last one off so much? And I've had that with the Plus battery. Maybe I'll have to do some more with the standard battery. I don't know. So really, it's a conundrum. It's not always accurate after a long flight. It's accurate on the short ones, but not the long ones. And this was the Plus battery. So you get about an extra 10 minutes with that, okay? So I'm going to scratch my head. Leave a comment below. How can I test this even further? I know I can do a bunch of flights with the standard battery. I can do it with touching the C1 and not touching the C1. But do I trust it? Yes, I trust it, but I don't trust it to be accurate 100% of the time. Okay, that's about it. Anyway, till next time, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and I'm going to do some more flights when it's not quite as windy and see if I can force it to be not accurate. And I've got 30 days. They've already given me an RMA on this to send it back if I want to, because they're saying I've got problems with the batteries because I'm not getting the right flight times, but I think I am because I'm getting 25 and 38. And I'm taking videos all the time. So that's not too bad. So yeah. So I got 30 days if I want to send this back. I can send it back. I've sent the one battery back, so I don't think it's the battery. Maybe it is the craft. Maybe I should send the craft back. What do you think? Let me know. Till next time, take care. Bye now.